Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Wi-Fi name and password so setup won't stall. Plug the Nest Mini into power and position it near the router, about 1/2 wall height and away from interference, because signal strength matters. Once the light ring pulses, open the Google Home app on your phone. Make sure Bluetooth and location are enabled so the device is discovered. Tap Add, then Set Up Device. These first actions put you into the app flow quickly and prevent common connection delays. You'll now pair and personalize. In the app, pick the Google account and confirm your home location. This enables local services and routines. When the app locates the Nest Mini, accept the device and listen for the sound test to verify audio handshake. This confirms you're paired. Then assign a room and clear, short name so commands route correctly. Once done, the device downloads firmware if needed. Keep the phone nearby until that completes to avoid interrupting the installation. You finish by completing Welcome Setup. Choose language, enable voice match if desired, and set your default music service so playback works instantly. Test basic commands like "What's the weather?" Set a timer and ask it to play a song, then control one smart light to confirm integrations. If the Nest Mini doesn't respond, reboot it and your router first, then verify Wi-Fi credentials in the app. Only perform a factory reset as a last resort because it erases saved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.